In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the simple three-step system that I'm currently using to make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And chances are that you are in the same spot I was not so long ago. As I mentioned before, I have two full-time jobs. I was barely making it. I wasn't even living paycheck to paycheck. I was actually surviving. And I was looking for an opportunity in which I can make an extra money online. You know, an extra 100, an extra 300, even 1,000. Everything works for me at that time. So I tried a lot of things after having a lot of trial and error. I actually follow a path that give me my freedom. But everything started with the decision. Everything started with the mindset. Everything started with a commitment. Right now, I want you to have a commitment with yourself and commitment with your success that you're going to stick to the strategy, whatever that it is actually going to be for you. But now, let me share with you the simple three-step system that I'm currently using to make money online. Chances are that this is going to be the same that you're going to use in order to get success, whatever success means for you. Okay, the very first step is that you need something to offer. Okay, literally, if you want to earn money online, you are going to be solving someone else's problem. Think in this way: whenever you're trying, whenever you're going to go and invest money online, it's because you're going to be solving one problem. And a lot of people are looking for a solution for a problem. And there are several ways in which you can actually do this. You can offer a digital product, you can offer a service, you can offer coaching, in you can create a membership site, or you can go this route that I actually went through, which is affiliate products. Okay, what does affiliate products means is literally more than 80% of the companies do have an affiliate program. They're paying regular people just like you and I by recommending their products. Okay, our only job is to recommend a product that we like. Okay, chances are that you are already doing this. Okay, someone have a problem, you know a product that is going to feel, it's going to fix that problem, and you're recommending it. Okay, as I mentioned before, more than 80% of the companies do have these type of programs. Okay, these can be physical products, this can be digital products, this can be memberships, this can be coachings, this can be even services, and you don't need to deliver the product or the service. The only thing that you're doing is that you are actually the bridge between the person who is having the problem and the one who actually create the product. Okay, so this is actually the route that I went with, is that I actually offer someone else products and service in exchange as a commission. The step number two is that you will need to have an automate system. And don't worry, you don't need to be tech savvy. Okay, you don't need to do overcomplicate things. Actually, the tool that I use that is helping me with me, it's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. Literally, with System.io, you can actually create these kind of automate systems without having the need to actually, be kind of any kind of web developer, designer, coder. Okay, you can actually do this, and this is actually key if you have a full-time job, or I'm pretty sure that you have other things to do rather than to be on DMs with people all day, to be with calls with people all day, delivering products, delivering services. No, I'm pretty sure that you are already super busy with that. And as you can imagine, it was a person who have two full-time jobs, and this is how actually that works. Okay, literally, you're gonna have a page in which people are gonna be filling their name and information. Okay, their name and email. Then you are gonna have, in my case, I prefer to have what it's called a bridge page. This can be videos, this can be a text, in which we are introducing the product that we are recommending. Okay, so with that said, this system is actually working for us 24/7. and it's going to be sending information via email regarding this product. But this is actually something way more important. You can recommend as many products and services as you want, and this happens automatically. You can add as many emails, okay, as you want with as many products as you want, and this is actually working for you 24/7. So literally you can be on vacation and this is actually working for you. You can be working, which was my case previously. I have two full-time jobs, and this is was key in order to earn extra. In that case, I was, as I told you before, I was looking to earn some extra cash, and after some time, I was able to replace my full-time jobs. So, as I told you before, this is not so super complicated. This is something that you literally set up once, and after that, it's going to be working for you for years to come. After that, the third step is that you need traffic. It can be free or it can be paid. Diana, what does traffic means? Literally, these are going to be people who are already looking to solve the problem. Okay, they do have a problem in mind and they are looking for the solution. Okay, where are they? Well, as you can tell, everybody is on the internet right now 24/7. So they can be watching a TikTok, they can be on Instagram, they can be on Facebook, they can be watching a YouTube video, they can be reading a blog, they can be doing Pinterest, they can be on portals like Mediums and all that stuff. So we are sending these people, okay, to this page. Okay, and nowadays you don't have to show your face if you don't want to show your face. You don't have to talk if you don't want to talk. Okay, you can use AI to create this, and it doesn't need to be something over complicated. You can create a 5 to 7 second videos, and literally you can upload it to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. Okay, just one video is going to be working 4 times. Okay, or you can create a long form video and you don't have to show your face either. You can actually be doing what I'm doing right now. I'm actually recording my screen and you can be delivering a message. That's another way in which you can actually do. Or if you like writing, you can actually be creating a blog post on your own blog. And by the way, this blog you can create it on System.io, 100% for free. If you like, images and stuff like that, you can go to Pinterest. So literally, people are out there. But at the beginning, my recommendation is choose one platform. Okay, don't be on every single platform. Choose one platform, and after that, you can actually use other platforms as well in order to drive traffic. If you want to learn more about this, how you can actually do it step by step, click by click, how you can actually find products that people are going to be buying anyway because they are looking for those products. Okay, because these are like different type of people. Like there are people who already know about the product, but maybe they are looking for a review. Okay, maybe they're looking for a testimonial. Maybe they're looking for someone who wants to share their experience with the product, or there is someone who have a problem and they don't know the solution yet. They are actively looking for a solution, and you already have the product that offer the the solution. So if you want to learn more about this step by step, click by click, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I see you guys on the next video.